What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Steve, putnworksteve, back with another video, man. And today is the AZ Barber Expo, man. I'm saying get ready right now. I gotta fix my bed. I gotta do a little bit of everything. It's just so much. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. I got 2 egg cats, man. Like, I don't even want y'all to see what's going on behind here. But I do work in this new barber shop. Shout out to all my boys, man. And one of my boys is gonna get me right, man. Y'all gonna see what my hair looks like. But if you're new to this channel, go ahead and like and subscribe. And if you are here and back in return, what's up? What's up to the fam, man? I appreciate every last one of y'all. But look, the wave game, I'm trying to get back to my wave game, man. Everybody say I still got it. I don't know how. I just don't give a darn. Living here in Arizona, my hair, it's just been dried out, everything. I don't even care no more. But what are we talking about anymore? Let's get to the video, man. Let me take y'all where we need to go, all right? You ready? Let's go. Look at this right here, man. We're in the hotel. Yeah, it's straight down that way. Yeah, all the way down. We gotta go all the way down. Yeah, we vlogging right now. You wanna get yourself shout out?
Yeah, hey, Life with Zay too.
Yes,
Capital
sir.
L with Zay.
Yes, sir.
Don't follow him. Go subscribe right now.
Yes,
46
sir.
followers on the come up.
Oh, you gotta give him the gram too. You feel me?
The gram?
Yes, sir.
Like I pull it up right.
Oh, he gonna pull the gram up. He gonna pull the gram up real fast.
Right now.
Pull the gram up real fast. Say what's up, eh?
Hey, Xavier certified. That's where it's at.
Yes,
That's the movement.
sir.
That's the movement of the people.
That's good. What's good?
Drill cuts. And the
Heck
artists.
yeah. Yes, sir. Oh, that squad. I got a bone to pick with them.
What kind of camera
I got
is
a
it?
bone to pick with them. Oh, this is a G7X.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
They've been knowing about the camera.
Oh, this mug ain't cheap.
I know it's not cheap. Everything got a penny on it.
Yeah, I saw that. What's your name? Ray.
Nice to meet you, Steve.
Yeah, man. You're gonna lose maybe 30% of your clients and still make more money working less.
Hey guys, y'all don't mind relocating? We're just going to be moving some equipment.
Yes, yes, yes.
Very much.
Get a quick pic with you.
Look, man, so I didn't even get a haircut. I got a lot of explaining to do. See, I was running on black people time, CP time, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, color people time, that is, if y'all don't know what that is. And I was running a little late, meeting the fellas up at the shop. You know, they already know what I'm talking about, but don't even worry about it, man. Like, I'm looking rough. I'm looking rough. I need to get my hair right. I just been trying to grow my ends in. Been trying to grow this out a little bit, trying to get that Rick Ross type of beard.
Feeling good, man. You already know, man. Boss cuts at the cut, man. Gang. You already know. Arizona Barber Expo, you know what I mean? We're doing our thing, having a good time networking. That's what it's all about.
What y'all learn? What y'all learning?
Add to that, what I learned from the seminar is trust in the process, know your worth, professionalism. You take care of the people gonna take care of you. Simple.
Professionalism is key to raising your prices.
Key. Trying to get that $100.
Raise your prices with
Professionalism. Flag, what's up? Incredible Expo right now. AZ needs this. Barbers need this. Clients need this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Give like a intro already, but right now we at the Barber Expo, man, and we're going right ahead and go into some of these seminars. Later on in the field, we're going to go inside here because of the fact that they got some things going on. I'll show y'all. There's more action in there. I don't want to play too much loud music, so I have to play like different other types of music due to copyrights. But soon,
Putnworksteve.
my boy Key right there, the cut shot, all the fellas right here. We got more special guests in here. I tell y'all, say what's up, man. But look, like I told y'all earlier, if y'all not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We're on our way close to 2K. Tell them 2K? 2K. Yeah, we almost there, man. So y'all go right ahead, subscribe, man. We on our way. What you how you feeling? You learning anything, man? What's up? Shout out, man.
Good, man. Happy to be here.
Yes.
Good guys. Representing the 𝐶𝐂 Barber Shop.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's up? What's up? How you been? Been alright? What's going on?
I texted you the other day.
Man, you know I was so busy. Old girl, like she was just talking about some other stuff, like how she. Oh my bad, man. How you got, man? Yeah, no. She wanted like some barber or whatever. She wants somebody to uplift her son or something like that, and rub him and stuff like that.
Oh, that's
the right
what you was
way.
talking about when you called me?
Yeah, I'm like, what you talk? I ain't know what the hell he was talking about.
Yeah, she never got back with me. It wasn't even her son. She told me that it was her fault. I don't know if she worked out like a room or something.
Yeah. And the weird stuff that we go through. I'm good. I'm with the team now right now. I'm vlogging right now, so you know, it's my YouTube channel. So I left her. So all right, y'all want me to keep it G with you?
This way, now my back is sore. Ooh. Shining, cause I'm so blessed. Shining, cause I'm now she throwing it. Shining, cause I'm so blessed. Shining, cause I'm now she throwing it. Every day, you gotta do what you say. I know she like me, wanna be wifey. Shorty was all on my page. Catching and making a place. Catching and making a place. Go make 100 a day. Only need one OBJ. Know that some homies I hate. No, they won't say to my face. Catching and making them plays. Catching and making them plays. I need my rest every day. Catching and making them plays. Splashing and making them waves. Splashing and making them waves. Been with this shit, they ain't asking no question. We catch and make plays and then count up the blessings. I got a degree and so now I give lessons on how to send birds. I can go on the tech. They got married in money, Michelle. The game is on lock, I got money for bail. My diamonds is dripping in water, they dripping in water. So me, I'm just digging new wells. Risk my alter ego. Risk got mouse amigo. Risk don't have no heroes. Don't do checks for ego. Only do checks for the zero.
We're at the Barber Expo right now, man. Look, I'm gonna show y'all something right now. I can't do too much with copyright right now, but look, I just got this right here, right? So I'm gonna do a review on this. You gonna talk to them? You gonna talk to them, okay? Y'all need to check them out. Hey, shout out to Instagram, okay? Shout out to Instagram. Shout out whatever y'all got. Yes, sir. Hey, let them know what I just got. Let them know what I just got.
Headlight, man. You can see you got multiple modes you can turn to. One of the coolest features is the second button right there.
Yes, sir.
All you gotta do is wave your hand and then activate that mode. You heard me?
Yes, sir.
Strictly Raw and Uncut. Visit the website www.rawanduncut.com.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 𝐶𝐂 Barber Expo. It's great to have you.
Yes, my boy. Yes, let's go. Hey, look, I'm gonna do a review soon. Raw and Uncut, boy. Raw and Uncut. 1 o'clock. Check this out right here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's up, man?
Wherever you are, man. Go ahead.
Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it.
Okay, we got
The beat.
They messed it up.
he wanted a frappuccino this morning.
Not in there, my brother. They is? I never like touched them or nothing like that yet.
stage. Zay, no, he can hear me. He said we get on the stage. He on the stage right now, man. I'm proud of my boy, man. That's right.
They beat it, you know what I'm saying? They gon' do it. They produce it.
Go ahead, give him a shout out. What's your Instagram right now, man? Where your barbershop at, man?
Trend Centers off of Dobson.
Yes, sir.
We said the trend.
Yes, sir.
This way, now my back is sore. Ooh, shining, cause I'm so blessed. Shining, cause I'm now she throwing it. Shining, cause I'm so blessed. Shining, cause I'm now she throwing it. I rest every day. You gotta do what you say. I know she like me, wanna be wifey. Shorty was all on my page, catching and making a place. is dripping in water, they dripping in water. So me, I'm just digging new wells. Risk my alter ego, risk got moss amigo. Risk don't have no heroes, don't do check to the people. Only do checks with the zeros. Juice, no beetle. Coop, two-seater. Kitty vroom, Mr. Cheetah. Crash this plane, no Aaliyah. Hope got mouths, don't keep her. Ooh. I need my rest every day. You gotta do what you say. I know she like me, wanna be wifey. Shorty was all on my page. Catching and making a place. Catching and making a place. Go make 100 a day. Only need one OBJ.